Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss out on any new updates from us. A drone, short for unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a remotely piloted or autonomous aircraft that does not require a human pilot on board. Drones are equipped with sensors, cameras, and other technology to perform a wide range of tasks. They are controlled by a human operator or follow pre-programmed instructions. Drones have diverse applications, including aerial photography, surveillance, delivery, search and rescue, and scientific research. They have become increasingly popular due to their versatility, maneuverability, and ability to access remote or hazardous areas. In this video, we will be talking about the 10 best roles of drones today. So sit back, relax, and get ready to know. Number 10. Public safety and law enforcement. Drones have become valuable tools for public safety and law enforcement agencies. They are employed for surveillance, crowd monitoring, and accident investigations. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors provide real-time situational awareness, enabling law enforcement to monitor large areas or crowds from an aerial perspective. They can quickly respond to emergency situations, providing valuable information for decision-making and enhancing response times. Drones aid in gathering evidence by capturing high-resolution images and videos, assisting in accident reconstructions or crime scene investigations. They improve officer safety by reducing the need for physical presence in potentially dangerous situations. Number 9. Inspections in the energy sector. The energy sector has adopted drones for inspections, enhancing safety and efficiency. Drones equipped with cameras, thermal imaging sensors, and LiDAR are used to inspect oil and gas pipelines, wind turbines, solar farms, and other energy infrastructure. Drones can detect leaks, structural issues, or faulty components that might be challenging to identify using traditional inspection methods. They can quickly survey large areas, reducing the need for manual inspections and the associated safety risks. Drones provide real-time data that helps energy companies identify problems and prioritize maintenance activities, resulting in reduced downtime and improved reliability. The use of drones in the energy sector leads to increased efficiency, reduced inspection costs, and improved safety for workers. Number 8. Construction and surveying. Construction and surveying have benefited significantly from the use of drones. Equipped with LiDAR sensors, drones are employed for creating accurate 3D models, surveying construction sites, and monitoring project progress. LiDAR technology enables drones to capture precise measurements of terrain, structures, and objects, resulting in highly detailed and accurate data. This data can be used for site analysis, pre-construction planning, and monitoring construction activities. Drones provide a cost-effective and efficient solution for regularly surveying large areas, tracking progress, and detecting potential issues. By utilizing drones, construction companies can improve efficiency, reduce manual labor, and enhance safety by minimizing the need for workers to physically access hazardous or inaccessible areas. Number 7. Disaster response. Drones play a crucial role in disaster response efforts. They assist emergency responders by providing valuable aerial perspectives of disaster-affected areas. Equipped with cameras and sensors, drones can quickly assess the extent of damage, identify hazards, and map disaster zones. This information helps in the planning and coordination of rescue and relief operations. Drones aid in locating survivors, monitoring the movement of emergency personnel, and assessing the accessibility of affected areas. They provide real-time data, allowing responders to make informed decisions and allocate resources effectively. Drones also contribute to communication efforts by establishing temporary communication networks in areas where infrastructure has been disrupted. Number 6. Delivery services. Delivery services have been revolutionized by the emergence of drone technology. Companies are actively exploring the use of drones for delivering small packages in urban areas. Drones offer the advantage of quick transportation, bypassing traffic congestion, and reducing delivery times significantly. With their ability to fly directly from a distribution center to a customer's location, drones provide expedited delivery options, especially for time-sensitive or urgent deliveries. They can navigate through urban landscapes, reaching destinations that might be challenging for traditional delivery vehicles. The use of drones in delivery services offers increased efficiency, lower operational costs, and improved customer satisfaction. While regulations and logistical challenges remain, the potential for drone delivery systems to transform the last-mile delivery process is promising. Number 5. Environmental conservation. Drones have emerged as valuable tools for environmental conservation efforts. They contribute to environmental monitoring, wildlife tracking, and anti-poaching initiatives. With their ability to cover large areas efficiently, drones are used to survey ecosystems, collect data on flora and fauna, and monitor habitat changes. This data helps researchers and conservationists make informed decisions regarding conservation strategies. Drones equipped with advanced sensors and cameras assist in tracking wildlife populations, studying migratory patterns, and identifying endangered species. They also play a crucial role in anti-poaching efforts by detecting and monitoring illegal activities in protected areas, such as poaching or illegal logging. The real-time information provided by drones enables rapid response and enhances the effectiveness of conservation enforcement efforts. Number 4. Agricultural monitoring. Agricultural monitoring has greatly benefited from the use of drones. Equipped with multispectral or hyperspectral cameras, drones can assess crop health, detect irrigation issues, and collect valuable data for precision agriculture. By capturing high-resolution images of fields and crops, drones provide farmers with detailed information about plant health, nutrient levels, and pest infestations. This enables early detection of problems and targeted interventions, optimizing crop yields. Drones can also identify areas with inadequate irrigation or water stress, allowing farmers to address these issues promptly. The data collected by drones aids in precise resource management, minimizing the use of fertilizers, pesticides, and water, thus reducing environmental impact and resource wastage. By leveraging drone technology, farmers can make informed decisions, improve productivity, and promote sustainable agricultural practices. Number 3. Infrastructure inspection. Drones have become invaluable for infrastructure inspection purposes. They are extensively used to inspect bridges, buildings, power lines, and other critical infrastructure. Drones can access difficult-to-reach areas and navigate complex structures with ease. By using drones, the need for human inspectors to work at heights or in hazardous environments is significantly reduced, improving safety conditions. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones capture detailed images and videos, allowing inspectors to remotely assess the condition of infrastructure components. This data assists in identifying structural issues, damages, or maintenance requirements. The use of drones for infrastructure inspection improves efficiency, reduces costs, and minimizes the risks associated with manual inspections. It enables proactive maintenance planning and enhances the overall safety and reliability of infrastructure systems. Number 2. Search and rescue operations. Drones play a crucial role in search and rescue operations. Equipped with thermal imaging cameras and other sensors, they aid in locating missing persons, survivors, or individuals lost in challenging environments or disaster-stricken areas. Drones are capable of covering large areas quickly and efficiently, providing real-time data to rescuers on the ground. The thermal imaging capabilities of drones allow them to detect heat signatures, making it easier to locate people even in low light or obscured conditions. This technology significantly enhances search efforts, reducing search times and increasing the chances of successful rescues. Drones are particularly valuable in remote locations where access may be difficult for human search teams. Their ability to navigate rugged terrain, dense forests, or dangerous areas makes them indispensable tools for search and rescue operations. Number 1. Aerial photography and videography. Aerial photography and videography have been revolutionized by the use of drones. These unmanned aircraft are equipped with high-resolution cameras that capture stunning images and videos from unique vantage points. In the filmmaking industry, drones enable filmmakers to capture breathtaking aerial shots that were previously difficult or expensive to achieve. Real estate agents can showcase properties with impressive aerial footage, providing a comprehensive view of the surroundings. Drones are also used in tourism promotion, capturing scenic landscapes and tourist attractions from an aerial perspective. Event organizers utilize drones to capture dynamic footage of concerts, sports events, and festivals. Drones have opened up new creative possibilities, allowing professionals and enthusiasts alike to capture compelling aerial visuals. They offer a cost-effective alternative to traditional helicopter or crane shots, providing flexibility and maneuverability. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.